So not everybody knows that while I also record Android tutorials for this YouTube channel, I also run and own the website playstoresales.com. It's a website I started back in 2015 in order to highlight the applications and games that currently are on sale for Android in the Play Store. So every morning when I get up and I sit down for work, I go through and find out what are the best applications and games that are currently on sale over the past 24 hours. And I publish them on the website. I also go through and remove any apps that are on this website after the sale has ended. I usually go through and remove these in the morning after I schedule the app sales for the day. And again, I work on this on Monday through Friday. I leave them up on Saturday and Sunday. And I do my best to make sure that the website is not clogged with a whole bunch of app icons or wallpaper apps or even just widgets. Like, there are a lot of app sale and game sale websites out there that will just list every single thing that has been discounted, and it really makes it not enjoyable to browse through. So with Play Store sales, I go through, I add which apps are on sale, which games are on sale, and I categorize them to make it easy for you to browse through what you're looking for. So I'd like to start a weekly video on Friday to highlight some of the best applications and games that are currently on sale for that week. I've pulled out about 20 different games and apps, and we can highlight those today. The first is a popular music player called Pulsar Music Player Pro. It's down about $1.20. I also noticed a fun little exercise game called Watt Challenge, as I've been using an exercise bike lately. And you can save a little over $4 on that application if you'd like. So as we get into the games for the week, I noticed both the first and the second Dungeon Warfare games are currently on sale for $1 and $1.50. The popular story-rich game Her Story is currently on sale for $1. Now, I'm currently waiting on Baldur's Gate 3 to be released as a stable game. But right now you can grab the second Baldur's Gate game for only $5. There's also a interesting game called the Eyes of Ara. It's currently on sale for $1.50 less than normal. And another similar looking game called Crying Eyes, published by the Humble Games publisher, that you can get for $6. Meganoid is an action-adventure platformer that reminded me a lot of the original Duke Nukem games, version 1 and 2, before it went over to 3D. You can grab that for only $2 right now. And for anybody who's a fan of digital board games, there are a number of digital board games from Asmodee Digital currently in the Play Store right now. Kings and Assassins you can get for only $1. Patchwork the Game, a little less than $2. Pandemic the board game is $2.50. Love Letter is only $1.75. Then we have a number of Hasbro games, like the Game of Life 2, which is only $2. Monopoly, $2. Clue, $2. The first Game of Life is $1.50. And the Vacations version of Game of Life is only $1. Battleship is $2.50. There are 3 games from Infinity Games that are currently free. They share similar gameplay styles, gameplay loops. One is called Package, that you can grab for free. One is called Traffics, which you can download again for free. And then we have Railways, again, all with similar gameplay loops, all for free right now in the Play Store. So that's just some of the best Android applications and games that are currently on sale in the Play Store right now. You can see on the website there are a lot here that I didn't mention. And there are even more that are being published later today. Square Enix has discounted a number of their games in the Play Store right now, including Secret of Mana, Adventures of Mana, Chrono Trigger, Final Fantasy Tactics. These are all on sale at 50% off right now, and you can find those and more discounts over on the website playstoresales.com.